Hello, good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 11. The name of the lesson is We Need Them. Mummy, who is this man you are buying vegetables from? Saina, he is Dinu. He is a hawker. He goes door to door to sell vegetable. He is a helper. Some people provide a service when we need them. They are our helpers. So, children, we see from the picture that Saina is asking her mother about the person who is selling vegetables, and we see how nicely her mother explains that this is the person whose name is Dinu. He goes to door and sells vegetable. He is a helper. So children, there are some people who provide services to us when we are in time of need. Such people are called as our helpers. For example, when we are sick, we go to a hospital. So the doctor and the nurse in the hospital are helping us. Then, when we go to a mechanic, he repairs the motorcycle or the car. So the mechanic is a helper. When we buy a house, so there are many helpers who help us. For example, the carpenter, he makes furniture for us. Painter, he paints a house. Electrician, he wires all the different things in a house. Plumber, he gives all the connection of water pipes. So these are some people who help us, and today we are going to study about them. We are going to study about the people who help us. People who help us. A mechanic repairs motor vehicles. He uses screwdriver, jack, and spanner to do his work. So, children, in the first picture we can see a mechanic. The person who repairs motor vehicle is called as a mechanic. He uses screwdrivers and spanner to repair the vehicles. The next person we see is the potter over here. A potter makes pot and other things with clay. He uses potter's wheel to give shape to the things. So this is the potter's wheel which he is using to give shape to the pot. Now grandma says over here, we use tools to make or repair things. They make our work easy. Yes, children, there are some things which make our work easy. For example, the mechanic is using screwdriver and spanner. The potter is using potter's wheel, so they can work efficiently and quickly. Fact and a florist sells different types of flowers and bouquet. So a florist is a person who sells different types of flowers and bouquets. So this is the picture of a florist. We can see a flower market where a florist is selling different types of flowers. You can see there are some yellow flowers, red flowers, pink flowers, and there are also bouquet. Bouquet means many flowers are put together, arranged properly to form a nice bouquet. So a florist is a person who sells flowers and bouquets. A farmer sows seeds and plows the land to grow crops. He uses a plow and sickle. The next person who helps us is the farmer. He farms the farm. He sows seeds and plows the land and grows crops. Then we get different types of grains, fruits and vegetables from that farm. He uses plow and a sickle. So these are the tools which a farmer uses. Saina wants to know, name the vehicle a farmer uses to plow and water his fields. So the vehicle is tractor. You have to write the spelling of tractor. He uses tractor, Tractor, tractor. The next person who helps us is the greengrocer. A greengrocer sells vegetables. He uses a weighing scale to measure the vegetables he sells. So in this picture you can see a greengrocer who is selling potatoes, and we can see a weighing scale. This thing is called a weighing scale. He uses it to measure the vegetables. The next person who helps is a mason. A mason helps to build houses. He uses a trowel. A plumber repairs pipes and taps, and he uses a wrench. So the tool used by a mason is a trowel, and the tool which a plumber uses is a wrench. So these are another two people who help us. Fact and a plumber uses a wrench to repair taps, and a mason uses a trowel to lay bricks. So these are the pictures of trowel and wrench. A barber cuts hair. He uses comb and scissors. So we all go to a barber when we need a haircut, and in the picture you can see that he is using comb and scissor to cut the hair. Saina wants to know, name a tool a barber uses to dry hair. So the tool which he uses is called as hair dryers. So you can write there the spelling of hair dryers. Fact and a chef is a person whose work is to cook. So when we go to big restaurant or a big hotel, we get food. So the food is prepared by a chef. A chef is a person who cooks different types of food. Now fun time. Match the people to the work they do. So we have to match the following. Milkman brings milk. Tailor stitches and repairs clothes. Cobbler mends shoes. Then painter paints the building. Postman delivers letters and parcels. Gardener waters the plants. Teacher teaches the student. So this is how you have to match the people with the work they do. Milkman brings milk. Tailor stitches and repair clothes. Cobbler mends shoes. Painter paint building. Postman deliver letters and parcel. Gardener water the plants. Teacher teaches student. So children, this is all for today. The remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow.